How to create a lead. Welcome back. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of creating a lead in Buopso. But before diving into the steps, let's first understand what a lead is. A lead is an individual or organization that has shown interest in a product or service and may potentially become a customer. Leads are often the first step in the sales process, and they typically come from various sources such as marketing campaigns, website visits, social media interactions, referrals, or networking events. Now let's learn how to add a new lead to Buopso. To add a lead, simply click on Create Lead. Here you can enter the details. Let's start with the basics. For the first name we will enter Mark, and for the last name Smith. For mobile number, let's enter +1 555 123 4567. Next, we'll select the lead stage. In this case, let's choose Fresh Call. Then we enter the email address and assign an owner to this lead. An owner is the person responsible for managing and following up on a lead. The owner field assigns responsibility for a lead to a specific person, typically a sales representative, to manage and follow up on the lead. Once you've filled out these details, just click Create. With this, your first lead has been created in Buopso. Now let's talk about creating custom fields, or in simple words, setting up the information you want to store for your leads. For example, if a lead or prospect fills out a web form, you may want to capture their name, phone number, work email, and additional information, such as company name, job title, or specific inquiry. To make sure you can store all this information consistently, you have to create the fields. So go to the Settings page. Here, click on Fields to select which fields you'd like to view in Buopso's Lead Management Solution. Under the Select Asset tab, you'll find all your pipelines. Select the one where you want to make changes. So here we've selected Custom Pipeline. Here you can see all the different sections within the custom pipeline, such as All Fields, which displays the fields within a specific pipeline. You can see several columns, each representing different data fields like a field name, type, the group it is in, the creator, and how many fields it is attached to. You can also see Groups, a way to categorize related fields. Think of a group as a category or a collection of fields that are organized together for easier access. You can easily reuse the group whenever needed, and assign fields to multiple groups if they apply to more than one part of your process. This ensures consistency and saves time by eliminating the need to recreate similar fields in different areas. And then we have Deleted Fields, where you can find all the fields you have deleted. And at last, by clicking on 3 dots, you can either edit or detach the field as per your convenience. Now to create a custom field, click Create Field. Here, you'll also see 2 groups, private and public. Private groups are only accessible within a single pipeline within one system, and are predefined for specific use. In contrast, public groups are visible across all modules in Buopso, including CRM, approval, and others. Coming back to creating a field on Buopso, let's choose Drop down as the field type to create our own custom field here in Edit Field Properties. Enter a field name, let's say Lead Priority. Then the placeholder will be Select Lead Priority, and you can also view how it will look like in preview from here. Next, we will put in the options, like selecting the colored options to choose a color of your choice. Then add options by clicking Add Options. For example, we'll enter the options, Add Fields. Here we will enter Hot, then Warm, and at last, Cold. This will help sales reps easily see where the lead is in the funnel and how likely they are to convert. At the end, choose Single Selection or Multiple Selection based on your needs. Then click Save. So in this video we've discussed how you can create a single lead. In the next video, we'll talk about how you can import leads in bulk. See you there.